Everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the side markers on the 2016 Honda Civic. This also applies to 2017 and 2018. It's very easy. It's just going to take us a couple minutes here. First thing we're going to start off with is we're going to be removing the 3 screws right here. Alright, now once you do that, you're just going to pry on this. Well, not pry, just use your fingers. You're just going to open that up, and right there is going to be a clip. You're just going to press in, and that's just going to pop right out. And you just want to be careful not to damage any of this because it's kind of tight. So you could probably use a little pick or flathead and just press on that clip and go ahead and release that, and then we're going to be swapping. Alright, so mine's not really coming out too far, so what I did was I just used the Phillips head right here, and I just pressed on the tab, and at the same time just pulled it out. Alright, so reinstallation is going to be the opposite. Just going to go ahead and put the new light bulb in, reconnect it, and just going to go ahead and slide this corner in first, just like that. And you can go ahead and reconnect the screws here, and you're all done.